Another navigation area that the system has is the top navigation bar. Yes, so the top navigation bar is important because it provides some key information for the user. Like to start with, it provides us with the name of the page that we're currently in. We have already seen this button over here, which will collapse and expand the sidebar in order to give us more space for data visualization. And besides the collapsible button, the title of the page, we also have a date stamp. We have the date and the time, which may become useful in case that we want to have some screenshots to add to our reports. So here we know that this information that is being seen right now is current and updated at this day and at this time. Something else that we have in the top navigation bar for easy access is a button that takes us to the new contract page. The new contract page is the page where we will need to go when we actually need to add a new contract. Besides the new contract page, we also have here a few more items. This one is for theming. It gives us some options to change the color. It will depend on the user's preference. For example, now I do have it in amber, but I could actually change it to olive or mist, or I could change it to orange or even teal, which is one that I also like very much. I could change it to indigo or cyan or emerald or even pink. Yes, so depending on your preference, depending on your mood, how are you feeling today, you can have one color or another, and this is completely up to you. Another very useful feature is actually the dark light theme scheme. So you can easily swap from light to dark theme just by clicking on this button, depending again on your preferences. That will help you to align the system to your needs. This hidden menu over here that gives us a few options. First, it will show us the name of the user and their position, but when we click on it, we can actually access 3 more different features. The first one is our own profile. So here is where we can upload picture, or we can actually change our password. Another feature that the user menu provides for us is actually the language. So in this case, if I hover down to language, I can see that there are 3 options. My option by default would be English, but I could decide to change it to Tetum, and then we can see how all the system would change based on my choice. Or if I decide actually to change it into Portuguese, again, the system will change based on my choice here. And then last one would be to log out. The system is actually smart enough that should keep our preference of theme and language selected for the next time that we log in.